Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. In today's nail art tutorial, Hannah will be showing you how to create these trendy rose quartz nails. This manicure has been super popular lately, so we decided to show you guys how you can recreate it at home. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun nail art designs like this one.
Hi, it's Hannah. I'm really excited to bring you this tutorial today, so let's get right into it. First, apply a base coat to help protect your nails. Use a light pink polish for your base color. Now use a white polish and thin brush to apply some squiggly, imperfect lines over the entire nail. Now I'm going to take my brush and dip it into 100% acetone and very carefully and lightly pat the white line so that they become blurred. Next up, use a sheer pink polish and apply one layer over the entire nail. This will create some depth and make it look more similar to the rose quartz stone. Once that's dry, I'm going to use the brush and a white polish again to create more imperfect lines over the entire nail. This step is optional, but to make it look a little bit more realistic, I'm going to take the acetone again to blur out the white lines, but this time just barely, so not too much like before. Finish off with a fast drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. To check out more videos on CutePolish, you can click here or here, and be sure to subscribe right here. And if you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye!